Understanding the marker mode screen on remedy models 1001, 1100, and 1600. Understanding what is marker mode, when to use it, and how to set it up. Marker mode is a feature that allows users to view live remedy system data collected by the device. Users can also review previously collected marker mode waveforms and data. There are three important icons when referring to marker mode. The Browse Current log, which opens a separate marker window and allows users to view the entire volume of collected waveforms and marker data for that IPG and user's programmer. The marker detail icon displayed by the magnifying glass will open the marker mode window, and by selecting the marker mode icon displayed by the EKG symbol will enable users to view real-time traces. A user can enable therapy and visualize live traces at any time by selecting the Activate Therapy icon. This will set all values to true/satisfied. If the patient is in therapy mode, selecting the Activate Therapy icon will enable the device to deliver stimulation. If in monitor mode, therapy will not be delivered, but the breathing waveforms can still be viewed in the impedance channel. Lastly, understanding the marker window screen. The marker mode window will display 4 live channels and provide status of pitch, activity, and current therapy mode. The left side of the marker window contains several selectable options to customize the data displayed. There are 4 selectable channels for real-time viewing of remedy therapy. The possible traces include transthoracic impedance, diaphragmatic EMG, stimulation train, sleeping position, noise threshold, and capture index. When to use marker mode. The top 4 features the marker mode is used for. One feature marker mode can be used for is to verify patient's position. Using the position marker, this feature allows the user to verify the position sensor is appropriately reading the patient's position. Please refer to position sensor video for more information. Second feature the marker mode can be used for is to verify pitch threshold. This allows the user to verify whether the IPG pitch threshold is set appropriately in each sleeping position. Please refer to the Verify Pitch using marker mode video for more information. A third feature marker mode can be used for is real-time therapy delivery to demonstrate for the patient what he or she can expect when therapy activates at night. Last feature is using marker mode during a PSG. The marker mode window can be used to monitor patients' transthoracic impedance, aka breathing waveform, delivered stimulations, capture index percentage, and position to make programming decisions live during a PSG. The timescale button will allow the user to select a sweep speed of 200, 400, 1000, or 5000 milliseconds per division. The freeze button next to timescale allows a user to freeze the current marker window's trace. Marker window data will continue to be stored and may be reviewed when the freeze button has been disabled. The reference button provides users with a legend of the color-coded device marker display. The top color bar in the top right-hand corner indicates device mode. Green indicates therapy is active, brown indicates therapy is disabled, and light blue indicates the device is in monitor mode. The next 2 colors correspond to posture, displayed by the orange, and activity displayed by pink, and display only when the condition has been satisfied for each. Event markers also display detected respiratory peaks and valleys, apnea events, lack of respiration, periodic breathing, and a few others. The user can select additional respiratory parameters to display on the impedance channel from the reference list on the bottom of the display. In summary, marker mode is a feature that allows users to view live remedy system data collected by the remedy device. It has several important uses such as verifying pitch and position sensor, real-time therapy delivery, and PSG patient monitoring and programming. The marker window provides users with information such as a color-coded device marker display, event markers, and selectable channels to best view remedy therapy in real time and users can also review all previously collected waveforms and data using the Browse Current Log feature.